Congratulations, winner of the Small Business of the Year 2024, Vistance Accounting.
Wow. It was 1 year ago that we won the Canadian SME Award for Small Business of the Year. So we just thought we would get suited up for this occasion.
And in retrospect, if I had been present at the awards night, this is the suit I would have chosen to wear.
You like the no tie look.
Yeah, it's the I'm not trying too hard, but I'm also respecting the occasion.
I got my Stanley Park tie.
I like it.
So as you remember, you sent me and a few of your accountants to the award show while you were in Japan. Can you recount that story?
Yeah, I mean, I thought there was a chance we would win. I wasn't that confident, but I said, hey, we're nominated, so we might as well send some delegates just in case it happens. So you and the team went. The awards night was morning for us in Japan. So I was having breakfast in the hotel. And sure enough, a FaceTime call came from you. And so I ran out of the hotel as quickly as I could, answered the call, and I saw the number of you standing there. And then you held up the trophy and to show me that we had actually won. And that was such a special moment for me. It just validates everything that we've been thinking, that we do a lot of things very different from other accounting firms. I believe we're unique. And I think the award validated everything that I believe in terms of how we're different and how we better serve small businesses.
What does this award win mean for you?
Everybody wants to know they're working for a winning company. So when you're able to present an award to all the employees and employees know that we won Small Business of the Year, they again feel validated in their work. Sometimes we have processes that might seem onerous to them. And they go, well, Daryl, why do we need to do all this? Isn't this a bit of overkill? And when we present the award, we say, this is why we do this. We go the extra mile. And this may seem onerous, but this is what we need to do to come out ahead and be one of the best accounting firms in the country.
What are you most proud of as CEO of Vistance?
I'm proud that we hire accountants and then we train them to become business partners. And when they become solid business partners for our clients, and clients start to trust them on every level, in terms of asking them for advice on what they should do next, on how they fulfill their business plans, on whether they should increase their pricing, questions that accountants typically don't answer, but our staff are trained to answer. My proudest moment is when I see that leap. And I see an accountant that I hired that really only had the CPA training and background and was really just trained on technical competence, actually begin to develop business acumen and is able to give real business advice to a client. That's my proudest moment. One of the things that I've always been proud of is the fact that we level the playing field for small businesses, because what I discovered when I launched Vistance was for small businesses that have less than 15 million in revenue and they don't have CFOs, when they hire accountants, they get compliance. So they get somebody who looks after their HST quarterly filings, completes their T2 annual tax filings, and maybe they get them done on time and maybe they do them quite well, but they don't get advice throughout the year. They don't have somebody looking at their financials every month, checking to see that they're maximizing their gross profit margin, checking their cash flow, making sure that they can make all their payments, they don't miss payroll. What we do is we provide the tools that are really needed by small businesses to succeed that only large companies have. When you're a large business, when you're a Fortune 100 company, you have a lot of accounting staff, you have great CFO, you have great finance people that give you lots of guidance, and they have plenty of people to get advice from. Small businesses have nobody, and a lot of small businesses get stuck in neutral because they don't have this financial insight, and so they don't know how to grow and take the next step until we give them these tools, until we give them accurate financial statements and a forecast. Now they have a roadmap, now they feel confident to move forward, and we help them get over that hump to become a medium-sized business.